Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Yet is a small word with flexible roles in English sentences. Use yet mostly to signal unfinished actions or expected outcomes. Place yet at the end of negative statements and at the end of questions in daily speech. It often follows auxiliary verbs in present perfect constructions to show incompletion. Use yet with still for emphasis or with already to show a shift in expectation. Listening for natural rhythm helps you place yet correctly in spoken and written sentences. Yet also functions as a coordinating conjunction that links two contrasting clauses. Use yet in the middle of a sentence to mean something similar to but. Place a comma before yet when clauses are long or when you need a pause. Keep clause lengths balanced to avoid confusion and maintain natural pace. In formal writing, yet can soften a contrast compared with however or nevertheless. Practice rewriting paired sentences using yet to build fluency and to learn comma placement. Focus on 3 reliable patterns to master yet quickly: negatives, questions, and clause contrast. For negatives, end sentences with yet like I have not finished yet and listen for the rising intonation in speech. For questions, place yet at the end. Have you called yet? For clause contrast, join clauses with a comma then yet to show contradiction. Try writing 10 sentences using each pattern to feel how yet changes meaning. Read them aloud slowly to refine natural rhythm and placement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.